everybody, welcome back to the 509. Today we're working on a house and it's getting copper gutters, and you can see how we've already got some of them started up there. And I was just going to show you how we punch the outlets in here for the round downspouts. Here you can see we got some round elbows, and then the downspouts, there's some over there, and there's some in this cubby right here. But we buy these little outlets that are oval shaped, and they accept the round downspouts really easily. And if you'll notice on these here, they got those little dimples. They're dimples from the inside, but they're bumps on this side, and I'll show you why in just a second. But we get the when you buy those out, you can buy what they call a punch pack, and you can get like 450 of those outlets in aluminum is what we usually get them in, and it comes with this punch kit here. I'll show you how this thing works real quick. Give me 1 second. Okay, so what we do first is we measure where the downspouts going to go when we're measuring up the gutter, and we find that on the gutter, and then we go ahead and punch a hole in it with this. It's over 1 inch. This is 1 3/8, but it can be like 1 1/2 or something like that, so 1 3/8. And you drill a hole in it, and I'll show you all this in just a second. Drill a hole in it, and then this punch here, this is the bottom part of it, and then this is the top part of it. So you put this part underneath the hole that you just drilled out, and then you put these little legs through the hole, and these threads, that threaded screw in the middle, goes into the center part of there. And then you hook this up to your impact and just drive it through, and it punches it all the way through like this. Hold on just a second, so I can do this with one hand here. So you put that together like that, and then you start driving it, and as you can see, it starts to cut into your gutter as you drive it in there, and then it'll punch out one of these blanks like this. And then you get your outlet, and you we put a little bit of sealer around there, and then you slide it into the hole, and then it fits so good that those little dimples, or those little bumps right there, lock this outlet into place, so you don't have to put any screws in it or anything. You just lock that in place with the sealer, and it holds real well. All right, so thanks for stopping by. Appreciate you checking out this video. If you liked it, please hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notifications on the subscribe button so you can be alerted next time we submit another video. We'll see you next time back here at the 509. Y'all take care.